Hello friends, this is Laksh Gupta from CBSE French class 9 and 10. This is our new video in which we are going to learn pronom relative composé. So let's start. The pronom relative composé is used to join two sentences to make them one sentence. Like pronom relative sampler, which we have learned in previous videos. The pronom relative sampler are qui, que, ou, and don. But the difference is that in pronom relative composé, preposition is used and interrogative pronoun is used. Now let's study the formation. Now formation is preposition and a pronoun interrogative. Let's study an example to understand it better. There are two sentences in this sentence. Cette mon ami and je vais à l'école. They are joined by a composed relative pronoun which is avec laquelle. Now let's translate the first sentence into English. It translates into this is my friend. And the second sentence translates into I go to the school. And now let's study why avec laquelle has been used there. This is my friend dash I go to the school. Now we know that we'll use the preposition with. So it translates into avec in French. So avec is used. Now laquelle is used because here the noun is mon ami, which is feminine because of this e. So laquelle is used. So the final pronom relative composé becomes cette mon ami avec laquelle je vais à l'école, and the final pronom relative composé is avec laquelle. And in this avec laquelle, the preposition is avec and the pronoun interrogative is laquelle. Now with preposition a and the contracted article will take place with the definite article. There are some exceptions in this. Now a and le becomes o, whereas a plus les becomes aux. De plus le becomes do, and de plus les becomes they. We'll understand this in the coming topics which we are going to do just now. Now let's take another example. C'est un appartement près duquel j'habite. Now the two sentences here are c'est un appartement and j'habite. Now c'est un appartement translates into this is an apartment. J'habite translates into I live. So it becomes this is an apartment dash I live. Friends, you must be understanding that here we can use any preposition like in, near, and etc. etc. Now I have used near here, so it translates into près. That's why I have used près preposition. Now here a appartement is the noun which is masculine. Therefore, près duquel has been used. But actually the preposition is près de and the pronoun interrogative is lequel. And we have just learned here that de plus le becomes do. So finally it becomes près duquel. And here also we have written de plus le becomes do. Now there are certain verbs which are followed by prepositions which are fixed like a and the. While using composed relative pronoun, these prepositions must be taken into consideration, and we're going to learn them just now. The verbs which we are going to study are se servir de, se occuper de, avoir besoin de, penser à, croire à, songer à, réfléchir à. Friends, you must learn these verbs, as when they come in some post relative pronoun, many children commit mistakes because they don't know that with some verb there is another preposition. For example, se servir de. After se servir, whenever you see se servir after the blank, you should know that the will be the preposition. Now the next list is se m'occuper de, être plus adjective de, which can be any adjective, rêver de, then ir à, assister à, se habituer à, and introser à. You must learn these also as they come in composed relative pronoun exercise, and many children commit mistakes in them. Now let's do some exercises to understand this better. There are two exercises. In the first exercise, we have to complete the sentences using pronom relative composé. Now let's do it. The first is la table and the second is il est monté et au bois. Now let's translate this. The table he climbed is made up of wood. Now we know that in English also we use on preposition with climbing verb. So we'll use sur preposition, and the la table is feminine singular, so it will become sur laquelle. Now let's do the second. Sir saw the question, which translates into these are the questions, and the second part is vous devez bien réfléchir. Now when we see réfléchir verb in the second part, we know in the previous slide we learned that a preposition is used with réfléchir, so the preposition will be a, and they question is feminine plural, so it will become auxquels. Now always remember that it will be when it will be masculine plural, it will be QUELS, and it will be feminine plural, it will be QUELLES. Now let's do the third part. Kunal is a good friend. I go nowhere. Now we can understand by translating it English and thinking for some time that it will be best if we use the preposition without. Kunal is a good friend without whom I go nowhere. So the preposition will be saw, and Kunal is masculine singular, so it will be lequel, and so it will become saw lequel. Now let's do the second question. In the second question, we have to combine the sentences using pronom relatif composé. Elle a acheté les magasins. Elle a trouvé 500 rupees parmi ses magazines. Now, in this sentence, preposition which is parmi is already given to us, and the noun is les magazines, which is feminine plural, so it will become parmi lesquels elle a acheté les magasins, parmi lesquels elle a trouvé 500 rupees. So let's do the second part. Rencontro mon fil, je suis fier de lui. Now the preposition given to us is the, and the noun is mon fil, which is masculine singular, so it will become duquel. Rencontro mon fil, duquel je suis fier. Now always remember that we have to cut the part which is we are removing the lui and parmi se magasin. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.